Well, this has just been a lovely place to camp. So we're at Weaver's Bend Campground, which is about 10 miles from Hot Springs, North Carolina. But we're actually in Tennessee, right on the border. So, great place to be if you have to be somewhere. But I guess we are going to head west today for a few hours and try and find a state park with a shower. Much needed.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So hey friends, we decided to go ahead and head out today and leave Weaver's Bend. It was calling for rain and actual snow there today, so we decided to go ahead and head west towards Natchez Trace. We're meeting up with some friends of ours there tomorrow, but we couldn't really find a place to be in between. Now we're stuck in traffic, but I think we're going to make it to the Trace campground tonight. So looking forward to a shower. That's the plan. As soon as we get through all this, right lane closed. Good times. I guess we should have gotten a map. We have been driving around this campground and we just found our campsite because somebody yelled our name. Them people. Fancy meeting you here. Yeah, this'll do. Here's Lessons with Lila. They have a headlight out.
Okay.
You have a headlight out.
Hello.
Hi.
I thought you were taking a shower.
I did take a shower. I'm still wet.
I thought you were doing that in East Tennessee.
Yeah, it didn't work out.
Now what we have here is what we call your top-down fire, which means you light it up on top and it drips down and then it burns right back up.
Huh.
That seems kind of backwards.
It's backwards, but it works. It works.
All right.
You do things backwards then?
Let's
Try
see.
sometimes. You know, if it don't work frontwards, you try backwards, and if it don't work then you gotta go to the mechanic.
All right, let's see what happens.
Okay.
So when does the magic happen?
What kind of magic?
The fire burning
We
like.
had trail magic yesterday.
She said. That's what he said. She asked.
I hear you have magical wood capabilities.
Where have you heard that from?
I don't know.
Go ahead.
Dan, I do believe you've made fire.
I did. Top down.
Nice.
Down fire.
Beautiful. Thanks.
And now we won't need to tend to it for probably about an hour, hour and a half.
Nice.
Depends on how much that wind kicks it up.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And
Get
warm.
out of the
Well, this looks like a feast. Got some onions and peppers over there cooking. Got some avocado and cheese and lettuce. And sriracha to go with our tacos. Yum.
Yummo.
Good morning, friends. We woke up to a very chilly morning here. We are at Natchez Trace State Park in the Wrangler Campground. It was 32 degrees when I woke up. Beautiful morning though. It's warming up nicely. It's supposed to get up into the 60s today, so it'll be all good. We are definitely taking a slow and easy start to the day. We got Frugal and Dan over there. Oh, here comes Frugal with Sammy Joe now. And I've got Vicky in my parking spot with me. Oh, she's up and going. And we've got Tammy and Charlie right across the way. So excited. So good to see all my friends. Such a fabulous place. So we don't know what today will bring, but I thought I'd bring you along so you can enjoy it with us. Should be exciting. We're meeting some more friends later today, so those are going to be our surprise guests. So Vicki and I decided to take a little ride down this road. We're going to try to find the cabins where we're supposed to meet our friends later. They should be here anytime, but this is a beautiful place, y'all. This is Equestrian Center, day use parking and stall rental. Pretty neat. So all over this park, there are these little cutoffs, and there's 25 cemeteries in this place. This one's called Taylor, which makes me think the person's last name is Taylor that's buried here. I'm interested in the stories behind all this. Well, I don't think I want to take the bikes down this dirt road. It's pretty steep, and I would really hate to lose power and not be able to make it back up. So we'll go find another one of these cemeteries that's maybe a little easier to get to. I'm not really sure. These motorized vehicles would be prohibited since we can pedal and make them just bikes. Not sure. I should ask one of the park rangers when we see them. Oh, these are gorgeous. Alright, we're going to check out Melton and see what's down here. So we've come to the intersection of Ox and Melton. I think that Ox is more of a walking path for sure. Maybe we can try going down Melton a little bit further.
That's an awful lot of going back up.
I know, that's the problem. So these e-bikes are seriously fun, but too much back up will eat up the battery quick, and we want to make sure we can get back to camp. Yeah, it's really hilly here. But maybe we'll pass on Melton too. We'll try the next one. So much to explore here. So much. So pretty. You hear the birds? I really don't know what I was worrying about. There was no problem with these bikes going 4 miles on these hills. Came back and we're almost at 100% power still. I'm sure we used it up a little bit, but no problem. We're going to go ahead and charge them back up fully and take them even further next time and see how far we get. That was about 4.5 miles all told. No problem. So Aces, Ecotric, thanks again. So much fun. Cheers.